All right, in this video, I'm going to show you how to put your iPhone Pro Max in this controller's cradle. This is the Ameta S20 Lite beginner drone controller. All right, so when you get your controller out of your package, you're going to notice it's got these handles on it. So you got to open those up just like that. All right. And then you flip her around, you can see what it looks like. So when you're, using your controller, basically your hands are like this, right? And that's forward, that's back, that's left, that's right, that's up, that's down, that's spin, left, spin, right. Pretty simple. But I want to show you how you do your phone. So what you're going to do is, this is the cradle here. You're going to pop it open like that. You see that? So now I'm going to flip it over so you guys can see it. Now look, this thing slides out so it's big enough for an iPhone Pro Max, and you can fit it in there pretty good. So I've got one right here, and so what I'm going to do is I take it and I slide it into the top part here, and then I'm going to push it down like that, and then it pops right in, and then I'm ready to rock and roll. Right, here we go. Bam, Bob's your uncle. All right, so once you got it in there, of course you have to have the app on your phone. You need the app. Let's see if I can pull it up here. Hang on. Putting my code in, and I think I've got the app down here. So this is the app right here. I've already loaded it off the store, and that's what it looks like when it loads up. And then you got to connect the drone here, and you got to turn them on. There's a whole process. We're going to show you that, but this video I am just showing you what how to put the phone in and out. Okay, so now once the phone's in there and you want to take it out, and it's kind of hard to pull it out. So what I do is I just, see, here's your controls on your phone. You don't want to pull it past the controls. What I do is I push it this way, just like that, right? And then I can grab it like that, and bam, Bob's your uncle. Got the phone out easily. That's how you do it. All right, and then when you want to close it up and you're ready to put it away, you just shut that, turn that one in, and Bob is your uncle. All right, if you like this video, subscribe to my channel and check out my other awesome videos on stuff like this. Peace out.